Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix and troubleshoot the media creation tool is not working, and when you're trying to install the Windows 11 on Windows 10, it is crashing or not opening. So in that case, how to fix this issue in this video I will show you. First up, you need to open this website. Just we need to search here, download Windows 11 and open the first website. And once you see it, what you can do is just we need to download the media creation tool, and if that is not working, what you can do is you can run it as admin first of all, then right click on it, show more options, properties. Okay, and if it is blocked like this, okay, you need to unblock this, then click on apply, then click on OK, and then click on OK, and now run it as admin and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. Sometimes this simple fix can fix this issue easily, and you can even upgrade your PC directly from here, or you can make a portable pen drive. But if that option is not working for you still, what you can do is you can make a ISO file instead of media creation tool. So first option, go here, this link, select the multi edition, then click on confirm and choose the language, then click on confirm. Now download the 64-bit, this is only available for 64-bit option, and now download the ISO file instead of media creation tool. Both the option will work same, but the way is different. So once ISO file is downloaded, so let's say ISO file is downloaded and you directly want to install Windows 11 on your Windows 10. So what you can do is just open the ISO file which you have downloaded as I have guided you, and once you downloaded your Windows 11 ISO file, you need to right click on it, and once you right click on it, simply click on mount option here, and once you see this mount option, it will be mounted to this PC. And let's see now if it is mounted or not. It will take some time to mount, but once it is mounted, open it, and simply you need to run its exe from mounted, but it is still opening up that option. So I'm canceling this. You can select here the upgrade option instead of downloading it. So while it is working, let's see if it is mounted. No, it's still not mounted. Let's wait here for a few minutes and let's try to again mount it. Even you can extract this ISO LS, open, click on open. Now it's mounted successfully here. You need to right click on it and simply open it. And here is the exe, just make a right click on it. Even you can run it as admin or directly run it. And now this exe should work to upgrade your Windows 10 to 11. Directly you can see here. Just click on next. Checking for update option is showing up here. And if your PC meets the Windows 11 requirement, it will be downloaded this option. If this option is still not working, what you can do is you can download the Rufus. Just type here Rufus Go to first link, download the standard one, this option. Now you need to close this advertisement, choose the location, okay, and simply you need to open this. Now once you open this, you need to select your ISO file. Select, locate it, open. Now your pen drive should have been inserted. Otherwise, you can reinsert your pen drive here. Then click on ready and make a bootable pen drive and install the fresh window on your PC. So these are the possible solutions to fix the issue, guys. Alternative of media creation tool if that is not working. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.